Is it for Dixon if the severe thunderstorm warning issued? Oh, back in the Quad Cities. What's this?
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Port Byron to Sunny Hill Estates, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source,
That's for
radar indicated.
Moline and East Moline
Impact, hail
and
damage to
Bettendorf.
vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Yes,
Locations impacted include Moline, Bettendorf, East Moline, Silvis, Geneseo,
and
Colona, LeClaire,
Silvis.
Coal Valley, Prophetstown, Hampton, Orion, Fort Byron, Erie, Atkinson, Rapid City, Sheffield, Princeton, Anawan, Tampico, and Cordova. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 304 and 306. Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 44. Interstate 74 in Illinois between mile markers 3 and 22. Interstate 88 between mile markers 1 and 19. Interstate 280 between mile markers 17 and 18. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for north central
Wi-Fi.
and northwestern Illinois and east central Iowa. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:45 p.m. for northeastern Rock Island and central Whiteside counties. At 6:14 p.m.,